great to be here. I'm very happy and delighted and honored to support and be a part of this very special, meaningful event. I'm so grateful for every moment that this industry has given me to have what I have, to have an opportunity to do what I do and become the person that I am. But today is not about me, it's about you. I'd like to recognize all this panelists and speakers. You know, even though the industry has been so kind to me, but I reflect back, it wasn't easy, it was not. 25 years ago, graduated from Texas A&M, trying to break into the industry, which were heavily dominated by male. It's very difficult as a minority. And then I try to visualize your journey as a woman. You're trying to break into the industry. And it's not easy when people did not believe in you. And then, but you break it anyway. And let me ask you this, how many professionals, non-real estate, not real estate agent, but like title company, engineering company, architects and all that, you are very important to us because we cannot close a deal without you. So we appreciate all the transactional partners. But last, I think we still have a lot of opportunity to be more. I'm very honored to invite Mr. Nguyen, the chairman of the International Trade Center, to come and join us. I think this is a time we expand our market. Our market is no longer in Houston. It's everywhere, it's our market. Whether you send a package to a client across the street or send it to Taiwan or to Vietnam, sometimes it's go faster. So we have a lot of opportunities. So we'd like to work with you to see how we can work together to expand our markets. If you have a product, we have clients. If you have clients, we have a product. We have a lot of projects in the international. So come out there and see how we can improve together. You can be our guest, a TV guest. You can, by the way, we are putting together a Texas Asian American Business Owner Association. And if you want to serve in the board directors, advisory, please talk to us. So together we can do more. Have a great event. Thank you.
Thank you, Danny. Thank you so much.